Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can unlock the storm pathway in Fish It Game of Roblox Elemental Island update. Okay guys, there is a new island in Fish It Game of Roblox latest update, and the island is sealed. And if you want to unlock the seal, you need to do a quest. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can unlock the storm pathway. Now I'm in the ice pathway, and here I need to over the tide crest dolphin to open up the door to the storm pathway. And to get the tide crest dolphin, you just need to fish in this area, and you're going to over it, and you need to rotate the ancient crystal to open up the door. And you're going to rotate until the light beam open the door, guys. So you're going to customize the direction and make sure that the light is connected to the door, so the door will be opened. Okay, I'm gonna rotate this crystal. Okay, I think I need to connect the crystal. So we need to connect all the ancient crystals, and the last crystal need to be connected to the door. Okay, I'm gonna rotate it again. All right, and I think I need to rotate one more crystal, this one. Okay, we're going to connect to the door, and as you can see that the door has been opened, and this is the storm pathway. Okay guys, and that's how you can unlock the storm pathway of the elemental island in Fish It Game of Roblox. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.